So exercise 9.1, question number 1 we will be doing in the book. Identify the examples of a point, line segment and a plane. So you will write the answers in the book. I told you that whenever you are seeing the video, please keep the book with you. The edge of a table. Edge means kinara. So question 1 you will be writing in the book only. Edge of a table, it will definitely be line segment. So write down there line segment. Then this was your first answer. Then sheet of paper, that is plane. Then third, meeting wall, place of two walls. I just now told you in the previous video that it will be a line segment. They are meeting in a line. Then tiny prick made by the fine pin. That is, in the beginning I told you what is this? Point. Surface of the floor, it is plane. Then corners of the square, it is point. Corners, we are not saying the edges. We are just seeing the corners. So, the third one will be your line segment. Fourth, point. Fifth, plane. And sixth will be your point. Okay? Then see, look at the figure and name. If I just draw the figure over here, question number 2, it is somewhat like this. As I am not measuring it, I am not using scale, so it might be a slight wavy. Like this. Okay? C, then D, then B. Children, when you draw in exam or in your copies, when you do the sums, please make use of scale and pencil. Now see, they have asked, look at this figure and name a line. See, which is line? Can this be line? No. This is your line. Okay? 2 endpoints. So in the first, your answer is AC. And how do you represent a line? Like this. Then all rays. Ray means there will be one initial point and that initial point will be your first letter. The second will be, so one ray is OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. So we will write down all of them. OA, make a like this. Then OB, OC, OD and OE. This is your second answer. Then third, all the points. Points are like this: A, B, C, D and E. So third will be your A, B, C, D and E. These are your points. And all line segments. See children, line segments will again be same, almost same. This will be, I am writing the fourth one over here. It will be OA. Line segment you will write like this. Then OB, OC, OD, then OE, and there will be one, this is also line segment inside the line, so it will be AC. Clear? Then you will cut down question number 3. Question number 3 is not in your course. Then question number 4, mark 3 points A, B, C in your notebook. Join them in pairs. How many lines do you get if? Now they have said that you have to take 3 points A, B, C and you have to draw a line like this. If suppose those points are collinear, question number 4 I am doing, I will rub this. I think you have noted down this. So question number 4. 3 points, they are collinear. That means A, B, C, A, B, C. Collinear means they are lying in the same line. They are lying on the same line. So that means what you will get if they are collinear, how many lines do you get? You are getting only one line, because they are collinear. Collinear means the points are lying on the same line. So I have arranged, so what you get? One line. Then second is A, B, C are not collinear. A, B, C. I have taken the 3 points. Here also I have taken the 3 points, but they were in one line. They are non-collinear. Now C. They are not in the same line. If I join them, I get this one line. This is 2 line and this is 3 line. So how many line I am getting here? 3 lines. When they are, this is the second part now. When they are non-collinear, I am getting 3 lines. When they are collinear, we are getting 1 line. Okay. Then question number 5. Now question number 5. From the given figure, name. This is the figure drawn in the book. I have drawn on the board. From this we will see this and we will answer all the questions below it. See the first one. See children, these are lines which are intersecting at point E, and these are parallel lines. You all know that. So first, all pairs of parallel lines. Parallel lines are these 3. Parallel means which are equidistant from one another. They are not meeting at any point. So these 3 NOP, these are 3 parallel lines. So now you have to name them, you have to recognize them in pairs. So what will be the first pair? It will be your NO. Then second will be this OP. I'll make it like this. Small b right now. So OP. And one is this, another, then these are also parallels, NP. So your third one will be NP. Clear? So these are your parallel lines. Then all pairs of intersecting lines. All pairs of intersecting lines. So this is second one. All pairs of intersecting line. Now see here, these are intersecting lines. Now how they are pairing? They are crossing each other at this. So your first will be L and M. L, N. This is the first pair. Then see here, this L is being crossed at O. So it will be L, O. This is the second pair. Then see the third one, this L is crossing this P at this point. So it will be L, P. This was the third pair. Now we come to the second one. This M and N are crossing at B. Those are intersecting. So it will be M, N. This is your first pair. Then this M is crossing, intersecting with O. So it will be M, O. Then this M is intersecting this P here. So it will be M, P. And then one last, this is L and this is M, they are intersecting at E. So the last pair will be your L, M. Okay. Then next, lines whose point of intersection is D. D is this. Which lines are intersecting? M and O. Which are intersecting here? So third one will be your, this M and this O is intersecting at D. So it will be line M, N. M, O. It will be M, O. Clear? Then point of intersection of line L, N, M. The L, M, N lines are intersecting at E. So this is your fourth answer. Then next, pointer intersection of line M and P. This is M and this is P. This is M and this is P. They are intersecting at F. Then all sets of collinear points. All sets of collinear points, they are, this will be your sixth one, A, B, C, D, then F, G, C, D, F, G, A, C, G, or we can write the other way around also. That will be easier for us. We will see like this: A, C, G, E. On this line we have seen. Now we will see this line: F, E, B, and B. 1, 2, 3 like this and this. Okay, so this is your answer. Then question number 6. And now children, this question number 5 you have to do in copy. All others, question number 1, 2 and 4 you have to do in the book. Third we have cut. This 5 you have to do in the copy. Okay. So now we move on to question number 6. Question number 3. This is the diagram. In this, from the given figure, find the concurrent lines and their point of concurrence. What are concurrent lines? Concurrent lines when the 3 or more lines intersect each other at a common point. They are called concurrent lines, and the point where they concurrent or where they intersect each other, they are known as point of concurrence. So in this you have to find out those lines and the point of concurrence. See, all सारे पता लगाने इसमें. See here, this line L, M and this P, they are crossing each other at this point. So it will be L, M and P. These lines, they are concurrent at which point? A. Okay. Now we move on to this N, O and P. They are concurring at B. This line N, this O and this P. So it will be the second one, N, O, P, concurrent at B. Now see this line, Q, then you have L and this N. They are concurrent at C. Point of concurrence, it's very clear to you. So it will be third one, Q, L and N. Concurrent at what point? C. Then fourth, see here, this is M, this is O and this is Q. This is M, O, Q, M, then O and Q, and they are concurrent at D. Okay, here only two lines are crossing. This is point of intersection. This is point of concurrence when there are 3 or more lines are meeting. Here only 2 lines are meeting, so it will not be a point of concurrence. Okay, so this was your question number 6. This you have to do in copy. Children, these two questions, question number 5 and question number 6, are very, very important. Then what is the maximum and the minimum number of point of intersection of 3 different lines in a plane? See, if you take 3 different lines, okay, 3 different lines. So what is their maximum? When there are 3 different lines, that means they can cross each other at 3 points. So your maximum will be 7th one, maximum Since there are 3 different lines, they can intersect at 3 different points. So maximum will be 3. 3 different lines, 1, 2 and 3. They are intersecting at these points, 3 different points, this is maximum. And if suppose 3 lines are like this, the minimum, the 3 lines are separate, then minimum that there will be no point of intersection. It will be 0. Minimum will be 0 and maximum will be 3 if the lines are 3. Now children, we move on to question number 8. Question number 8, you will be doing it on your own. I have explained the sum like this, so you will be doing like this in your book only, in your copy if possible. Then we move on to question number 9. Question number 9 is a cuboid, as you can see. Looking at the figure, you will answer. You will do it in the book only. All planes. So there are number of planes. See children, this is first plane, second place, one is inside it, another that side. So we will name it. It will be first A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Then second if we see, it will be A, B, F, E. So it will be A, E, F, B. This is your first answer, you can say. Then one place we have taken, one we have taken this. Then your third will be H, the one which is below. H, G, E, F. Okay, then we'll take the side ones, this one and this one. H, D, A, E, H, D, A, E. Then it will be this one, C, B, G, F. So one which is left is B, this side, B, C, G, F. This we have taken, this side is left, so it will be like this. Okay, then the second one, all points. So you can clearly see in the red, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. All the points are there. Then plane parallel to AEHD. AEHD. What will be the plane parallel to it? Parallel means just opposite it. So it will be your BFGC. BFGC is opposite to ADHE. Then line of intersection of planes, EFGH, EFGNH. They have asked the line of intersection of planes of EFGH and EDHG, CD, CD and HG. CD यानी back side जो उसके है, CD, HG, and the line of, and the other one is EFGH. What is the line? It is GH is the line of, one is back side, this one, this plane and this plane. ये वाला plane और इस ये वाला plane, दोनों के plane का line of intersection कौन सा है? This one. So you will write down GH for the fourth one. Clear? One this side and one this side. Line of intersection is this. So this finishes your exercise 9.1. Please do it as I have told you and practice well. If you find anything difficult, you can ask. So stay safe and take care.